Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, you can reset a couple of different things in your Google Maps. One of them is, of course, your location, for which you, of course, need to have your location services turned on. But when you do to reset your location to where you currently are and center on yourself, all you need to do is press the location button in the bottom right. It's both in the bottom right on both PC and mobile, so you can just click on that and that's going to center on you. Now, to reset other things such as your history, you can disable the the timeline within your settings. Go into your data and maps and disable the timeline, and you won't have the timeline recorded. Or you can just go to recents and manually delete any other previous searches that you have made, and that's just going to delete them from your maps, and you just pretty much need to manually reset your his search history, just like that. Let me just try and find these locations because it keeps taking me out of New York. There we go. And yeah, you can just manually delete those. Now you can also reset your compass orientation by just tapping on it. You won't have it on your PC because it's stationary, and usually it's just going to point north south, and I don't know of a way to change the orientation, so it is what it is. But yeah, on your mobile phone, you just tap the compass icon, and that's gonna very easily just realign with north and south, and that is pretty much all there is to it. And yeah, there's really nothing else you can reset. If you want to reset all your data, you're going to need to reset all your data on your Google account, which pretty much means deleting it and creating a new one. Or if there is a way to delete all your data without deleting your account, you can look into it, but I'm pretty sure there is none at the moment. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.